either try a small example or find a way
Exactly.
that works.
So we can use a small example here on what?
Okay, 8 by 3. Maybe 24. 2 by 6. 4 by
If I
3.
want to look, there are different ways, but I want to use a small example on this 8. Okay.
Okay.
N is 8, so let's use N1, N2, N3, N4. So if N is 1, then we have this figure, right?
Yes.
Okay, so the answer is what for this?
Because then to loop back, you must. 2, please.
Exactly, good job. One of them is this one, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's copy it. So one of them is this one, the other one is, right?
Yes.
Okay, now check N2. So for N2, we have this figure. We have 2 1s. So for this one, see how many good ways are there.
3 times 2 or 6?
Okay, let's check. So here, for each of them, for these two, we should select only one edge, right? Okay. There are different ways to select. If we use one way is to use common edge, right?
Yes.
So, but if we use common edge, then we have problem, right?
Yeah, we can't ever loop back.
Exactly. So we cannot use common edge. If we use this one and this one, then the path will be this. So let's do something. Let's consider AB. If we use both of them, one of them, or none of them, right? So we are using somehow casework, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's copy. Like for AB, if we select none of them, if we select both of them, if we select one of them, then we multiply by 2, right? Okay, if we select none of them, then the path should be here or here, right? 2 ways.
Yes.
If we select both of them, so here, then we cannot use these two, we cannot use these. So the only way is this one, right?
Oh, I see. So 1.
1. If we select A, and if we don't select B, so we shouldn't select this for this square, we should use this one or this one. So we multiply by 2 to use this one or this one because they are similar. So if we use this one, then we have to go here. For this one, we have to go here, here. And is it possible? It's not possible, right? Because we should use at least 2 verticals, not one of them. None of them was. So 0. So the answer is what for this case?
3.
Okay. Now let's check N3. For N3, we have a 3 by 3 table. So it will be what? It will be this, and this one is 1, this one is 1, this one is 1. Okay, check 3.
Okay. Not sure if it's 11 or less or more exactly. I can't for sure know.
Okay, so let's use casework, okay? For these things, Let's consider vertical lines that we want to use, okay?
Yes.
We should use 0 of them, 2 of them, 4 of them is not possible because then here we have problem, right? So number of vertical that we want to use can be 0 or 2, right?
Oh, I see. You mean all four of them? Okay.
If it is 0, then it will be what?
If it's 0, then there would be 2. Possible.
It will be 2, right?
Yes.
Because 1 here, 1 here. So 2. Good job. If we use 2 of them, okay? We cannot use 2 adjacents because then for 1 we have problem, right?
Mm-hmm.
So let's consider different cases. Let's copy these. Okay, so first, if we use this one and this one, if we use this, and we should multiply this one by 2, right? Because we can use this one or these two, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Similarly. For this, we cannot multiply by 2. What else? So we consider this one is similar to this one. This, okay, so we should only consider these two cases, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, because for this one, we cannot use this, we cannot use this, we cannot. So we should use this one or this one, right?
Okay. Sorry. What if both of the lines are the ones on the unit in the center? Like
This one, this and this.
yes.
So then for this cell, we are using 2 edges. We should use 1 edge for each cell. Look, if you select this one and this one, we are selecting 2 edges of this square, right?
Yes.
But the problem says we should select one, exactly one from each square, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now for because we said we select only these 2 verticals, so for this one we should select this or this, right?
Yes.
So we multiply by 2 and we select this, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And we cannot select this, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we should continue like this, right?
Yes.
And then we should go here, here. The rest will be unique, right?
Yes.
So 2 times 1 is 2. For this one, we cannot select this, we cannot select this, because for this cell, we select this. We cannot select this, we cannot select this. And we cannot select this one. But for this one, you can, again, it is symmetric with respect to this and this. So we multiply another 2, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we select this one. We cannot select this. Okay, so we go like this. This. We have to select like this. This. It will be unique, right?
Yes.
So 2 times 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Understand?
Yes.
So we consider cases of vertical lines. Now let's check N4. For N4, it will be this one, this, this. Okay, again by case for we want to solve this. So try N4 again first on your own.
Also, I have a question. For the last one, when we did 0 is 2, wouldn't it actually be more because you could do a 1 by 1, a 1 by 2, or a 1 by 3 for each one? So wouldn't that be...
Let me check. For this one, these two?
Yeah.
Okay, so 0 means we shouldn't use the verticals, right?
Yes.
So we should be only here or here. So if you think it is more, what else?
Like a 1 by 2?
This one?
Yes.
But then from here, we should select one cell.
Wait. Oh, I see.
One edge. From each of them, we should select one edge. You selected one edge here, but none of them here. Understand?
Yeah, okay, I see. I understand.
Okay, for N4, one hint or wanna keep trying?
I mean, for 2, I think there's 6 cases. For 0, I think there's 2 cases.
Again, yes. If you can also select four of. Can you select four of them? No. So yes,
No.
for vertical, exactly. You can say 0 or 2. For 0, it will be what?
2.
Exact. Now you should consider 2. Which 2? This one, this one, this one, this one, right?
Yeah,
This
I think I got 6.
for all of them.
Yeah,
Okay,
possible. I'm
let's
not sure if it's
calculate.
confusing. Let's
So
check
let's
them.
calculate one by one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so for the first one, I select this and this. For next one, I select this one, this one. For next, I select this. And I multiply this one by 2, this one by 2. Uh, and last one is this one and this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we cannot select any of them. So for this one, how many ways are there?
That way 1.
Okay, let's check. Because we've
Oh no,
selected from these two, we cannot
actually
select
there might
this
be. Yeah, there might be less.
one.
Just
So do you agree we should select this edge or this edge?
yeah, so times 2.
So times 2 without loss of generality, suppose we select this. Okay. So here you should go like this, go
And then
down.
it's 0 actually
And we
because
have problem here, right?
0 since you can't go
Exactly,
down.
0. For this one, we cannot select vertical, cannot select these edges. Okay, so you should go up, up. Here maybe we select one of them. Okay. So one thing, because here we selected this, we should go like this one, right?
Hmm.
So can you tell me, calculate this one, how many ways are there do we have here?
Okay, so that'd be a times 2 since they selected one of the ways. And then it'll be, so 4 total for that case because it would be 2 times 2 times
Exactly,
1.
2 times 2 and 2 because of this one. Because for this one, you select top or bottom one, right? Top one, bottom one. So,
Actually, I didn't see that.
for example, if you select, for example, here, bottom, here, top, so the path will be unique. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, right? So it
Yes.
will be 8. Now again for
Okay.
this one, we should do same thing. We reject this, we reject this. Okay, so can you tell me how many ways are there here?
Okay, select one or the other, so it'll be 2 times times 2? 2?
Exactly. No,
No, no, wait.
here because
No.
of this one and this one times 2, and this one and this one times 2.
Yeah, yeah, so that's 2 times 2 is equal to
Yes, and if
4.
you select, for example, if you select this one and this one, the path will be unique. It goes like this, goes like this,
Yes.
goes like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
For a 12, so it will be 14, right?
Oh, wait, isn't there one more case to check?
Sorry, we forgot. So we should remove this one, this one, this one, and this all these things, right?
Yes.
So we should go like this and this. Exactly. Good job. One. So 15, right?
Yes.
Okay, 15 cases for N4.
It's also, I'm confused on how to see if we could do 4 pathways because I feel like at one of the boxes it should work, but I'm not sure how to.
Okay, so let me show this. For N5, it will be 3 like this, and then 1, then divided by 2. So now it's 5. So -1.
Okay, so 0 pathways would obviously give us 2 options.
Okay, so we can use casework on what?
On how many vertical pathways there are down across the
Yes,
ones.
so I am thinking of some. Here, look, this one. has only one edge, right? For example, if we don't use this and don't use this for this one, for example, we have to use this. Then, for example, we use this one, we go up. For example, we go down, we go this, like this one. And I'm thinking of this. If we go, for example, up, down, like this. Then yeah, here we have problem, but for this one, let's check. If we use this one, go this one, this one, this one, use this one, go again, this one. On. If we go like this, then we have problem, right? Because we cannot reach this to this, right?
Yeah, because we recurse over.
So we can use how many vertical lines?
At most, 2.
2, yes. So let me
Yep.
check this. For example, can we use, let's remove this. If we use these two, this one, for example, this, then the path will be what? Should go up, right? This one goes down. We have problem, right? So let's check our previous cases. For example, M4. We use this one, these two, these two. It seems that we should use only these two as verticals or these two. Why? Because look, if we use, for example, suppose except these two and these two, for example, we use this vertical, okay? Then because from here and here we use, then we should go here and we should go here, right?
Yes.
Now, do you agree one of them should go to the left, right? And the other one, if it goes to the left, then here we cannot cover. If it goes to the right, then from here and here, they cannot reach to each other, right? Also, we can say for this part that one should go here because to cover this part. For this one, if we use this, it doesn't need to go to the left, right?
I see. Yeah.
Okay, so our vertical lines, we can only consider these 4 lines, right? So this one, or so let's consider cases. Let's work on 8, okay? Then we can try 5, 6, 7, 8 because they are easier. So for 8, let's consider the first case. Let me minimize it. Okay, if we consider this one, let's copy this. One case is to use this and this, right?
Yes.
One way is to use this one and this one, and then we should multiply this by what?
Times 2, because you can also move
Times
it.
2, yes, because we can use this one. Similarly. Or we can use this one and this one, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's check them. Now, because from here we should only cover one, this one cannot go here. Then we cover 2 edges from this unit square, right?
Yes.
It should go up, up like this, then it goes up, up. Now, do you agree for each of them if we determine that we want to select this edge or this edge, the path will be unique?
Yes.
For example, look, suppose it says, okay, top one, bottom one, top one, bottom one, top one. Okay, so let's see the path will be what? It should be like this, this one, and this goes like this, and the path will be unique, right?
Yes.
So for each of them, we should determine, we should select top one or bottom one. So how many cases do we have here?
Okay, so the specific one. 64.
Exactly, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 to the 6, which is 64. Good. Now try this one.
If 32 cases.
Okay, so here we should for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, because we said times 2, 2 to the 5, 32 times this again 64, right? In total.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's calculate last. Calculate last one, this one.
Okay, so then 16 cases.
Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 to the 4, 16. So the answer is what?
There's also
One case. If you don't use, you use none of. Okay,
yeah. So then there would be 2.
2 cases
Also,
for this one. This. So the
so the
answer would be
answer
what?
146.
132, 128 plus 18, 6, 146, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's see. This. Okay.
Also, I have a question. So the way we determined that it can only be 2 pathways at maximum would be what again?
Which part that we can only have at most 2 vertical lines? That
Oh,
part?
okay, I see. So basically, because if we have more, then we would be not able to connect the loop fully.
Yes, for
Since
example, if we have here, it's not possible. Why? Because it should go up, right? Because if it goes right or left, then, for example, for this cell we have problem, or for this cell we have problem. It should go up and down. So this one is okay, this one is okay, but we should satisfy both this one and this one, right? So one of them
yeah,
should go to the left, one of them should go to the right, but then it is not a closed loop, right?
yeah.
Because it cannot go here and then come back, right? Because the
Okay,
problem says it doesn't intersect itself. Agree?